Everybody. Good afternoon to everyone who has joined this session. So, guys, today what we are going to do? Today, I have brought to you some problems that are based on classifying the systems into causal, non causal, linear, non linear, time variant, invariant. These are very interesting problems you are really going to enjoy. Today, you are really going to have fun, you are really going to enjoy, and we are really going to learn some things, some shortcuts of solving such kind of questions. Okay, so before I get into the topic, let me first introduce you myself. So, my friends who are joining me for the first time, I am Ankit Goel. I got AIR 1 in GATE 2014 and 2018. And my friends, presently I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. And since my first rank was in electrical, I can teach you all the subjects of electrical engineering with special focus on the core subjects. And my friend, I was also awarded the President of India Gold Medal by the President himself in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Now, my friends, an academy is a platform that provides the most affordable education to each and every student in the country, that has brought the top educators of the country on a single platform and that are teaching you live daily. Now, if you want to be a part of this revolution, if you want to be a part of this mission, then you have to join an academy using the code Ankit Gate. When you use the code Ankit Gate, I directly become responsible for your success in the gate examination. And my friends, when I take the responsibility on my own shoulders, I can guarantee you that I'll do whatever it takes to get you the best gate rank, to get you the best result in the gate examination. Now, the thing is that whenever I'm teaching for free, why should you join an academy? Because, my friend, an academy is not just about the video lectures. An academy is more of an experience. What kind of experience is an academy? An academy provides you everything that, my friend, you need in order to crack gate with the best rank, such as the previous year question, test series, daily practice paper, weekly quizzes, quiz analysis, doubt solving session, crash courses, rank improvement batches, everything you get at an academy. So when you have so many things, so many facilities at a single place, then you don't have to look everywhere else to find different kind of resources, and your preparation becomes simpler. So that is what an academy will do for you. Now, my friend, if anyone wants to join an academy, what is the process? What is the process, my friend? A very simple process we have. You just have to call. You just have to call on number 70890 47561. 70, I'm writing as well. 47561. Talk on this number to my team and they'll guide you. And guys, since you already have an Academy app, you can directly click on Gate ESE, get subscription, and then choose this plan. If you are a final year student or a dropout, if you are in third year, choose the 2-year plan to crack both Gate 2021 and 22. But make sure that you use the code Ankit Gate. Ankit Gate. Is that clear? You can pay by credit, debit card, EMI, net banking, but make sure that you use the code Ankit Gate. Okay, now my friend, tell me, are you guys ready for the questions? Are you guys ready for the questions? Yes, Sahil, what is the general question? What is the general question that you have? I'm starting the problems, my friend. Okay. See the first question. For every question, I am going to give you 1 minute. Only 1 minute. These are very small problems. You are only going to get 1 minute in every problem. You have to crack it. Come on, everybody. The timer is running on your screen. and make sure that you give me the answer only in the poll. Don't give the answer in the chat. I want all the answers in the polling. Okay, come on guys. साहिल मेरे भाई, इजी कुछ भी रहे, नंबर पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के ज्यादा है, समझ गए? इजी कुछ भी हो, ज्यादा वेटेज किसका है? पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। Okay, the time is up, and our own Sittu is sitting at rank 1. Okay, now what is the question? The question says the output and the input are related like this. That is yn is 0.4, yn minus 1 plus 0.8 plus xn. Now only one power is there. Power. Karthik, the answer will be the answer, my friend. What will be the answer? The power is 1, but yes, the answer will be B. But there is a constant of 0.8. ठीक है, 0.8 का एक कांस्टेंट आ रहा है, so that is why it becomes non-linear. ठीक है, whenever you see a relation like this relation represents a non-linear system. Understood? Otherwise you can check by superposition and homogeneity. Is that clear? Now, whether it is causal or non-causal. So basically, yn depends on it depends on present value of input and past value of output. So my friend, it is causal. The answer would be B. Is that clear? Coefficient is less than 1 of y. So Sai, what is the problem if coefficient of y is less than 1? Okay, so the answer would be B. Now, my friend, moving on to the next problem. Try this. Akshay, if it was yn plus 1, then you will say yn plus 1 depends on xn. Then again, it is depending on the past value of input. It will be causal. But if it was xn plus 1, then it will be anti-causal. Okay. Is that clear? Come on, everybody. The timer is running. Very, very simple problem I have given you. Take today's class as a quiz. Just take it as a quiz. And believe me, you will enjoy a lot. Today, you guys are going to have a lot of fun because these are the smallest problems that you will encounter in signals and systems. Okay. Now, Nikita is coming at rank 1. But guys, this is just the trailer. The entire movie is still left. Picture अभी बाकी है. ठीक है? सब लोग try करें. Now, गुड्डू मेरे भाई, let me explain the solution. So yn depends on xn. Good, Rahul. Power system from basic from YouTube. I really like it. Thank you. Now, that means it depends on present value of input. So that is why it is causal. What about linear, non-linear? What about linear, non-linear? So remember, cosine makes it non-linear. What about stable, unstable? Maximum value of cos. Maximum value of cos is 1. Okay, is 1. Now, why? That we will get a bounded output always. Always a bounded output. That means it is stable. That means it is stable. This I have also explained in my YouTube class in control system. If you watched my class for the past 2 days, you will know that I have explained this concept. That if the output is bounded, the system would be stable. So the answer would be A. The answer is A, my friend. Moving on. Next question. Come on, everybody. Next question. Again, 1 minute you have. गुड्डू मेरे भाई, जो क्राइटेरिया आप t लेस देन 0 पे लगा रहे हो वो ht में लगता है, yt और xt में नहीं. उसके लिए क्या चाहिए आपको? इम्पल्स रिस्पॉन्स. क्या चाहिए? फिर से बोलो. इम्पल्स रिस्पॉन्स. Whenever you have a relation between input and output, you check whether the output depends. Subhadeep, don't you see the polling option on the screen, my friend? Are you blind or something? Please answer in the poll. Don't behave like an illiterate. Now, what I was telling, when we have a relation between input and output, then we check whether the output depends on the present or the past value of the input. But when we have impulse response, then we apply the condition for t less than 0 or t greater than 0. Bapan, whenever the output is bounded, then you can say the system is stable. Guys, do you attend my control systems class or not? Every day 7 p.m. Are you attending or not on YouTube? 7 p.m. So I have explained how you can judge the stability. Good to make sure you attend, because today I will be teaching Routh-Hurwitz criteria. Now, my friend, if you see yn depends on xn, that is present. Daily I am taking live class on YouTube, guys. System from the very basic. xn minus 1 past, xn plus 1. Karthik, please focus. Future. When it depends on past, present and future, you will say, sir, it is non-causal. Aanchal, none of the class timing can be changed. Now, my friend, what about stability? Let me explain stability again. The stability is for every bounded input. We must get bounded output. Yes, रुचि, क्रिएट्रिक्स चैनल पे कंट्रोल सिस्टम चल रहा है every day 7 p.m. So that means when you talk about bounded input, and guys, quit checking your phone in between, focus on the lecture. when you have bounded input, then your input is less than a maximum value for all n. That means you can say yn will be less than equal to 2m plus 3m minus m. So yn is also finite. That is why it is stable. Correct? Correct? So what you have to check that if the input is finite, whether you get a finite output or not. If for a finite input, you are getting a finite output, then it is stable. Pratyusha, impulse signal is unbounded. You can't directly apply a impulse signal to check stability. But the another condition of Bibo stability is this one, where HT is your impulse response. Suppose the students are around 100, and this I have explained in control systems, guys. This I have explained in control system. Okay, Deepak, just go and watch my control system lecture for the past 2 days. I have told everything about stability, everything from the very basic level. Okay, you need to watch it to understand all this. Okay, everybody. Now, the next question. Come on, guys. Polling is in front of you. Try this. Come on, guys. 20 seconds are still left. All of you can solve it. Welcome, guys. Those of you who are joining us now, welcome everybody. And my friend, today we are solving some good problems. Solving some good problems based on classification of system. And let me tell you, my friends, from 17th, I am starting electrical machines for rank improvement students, in which we are going to solve more than 200 questions. So if you want to join an academy, join it now. Now, here if you see, start time is 1 p.m. for this lecture. अक्षय मेरे भाई, सारी चीजें फ्री क्लासेस में करा दें, पेड वाले बच्चों को रहने दे पढ़ाने को, बताओ. So that means this one will be non-causal. This one will be non-causal. Now, what about static and dynamic? It will be dynamic. Simply, it will be dynamic. ठीक है? The next one, try this, guys. Why I am Kushal, whenever anything depends on past or future, then it is dynamic. If it only depends on present, it is static. If it depends on past or future, then dynamic. And guys, whenever I'm teaching, even in the free classes, I'm teaching very, very honestly, right? But definitely the paid users will always be at a higher privilege than free users. That is how things are. Okay. And if anyone wants to join an academy, you just need to use this number. And if an academy wants to join you, tell them that you have the code Ankit Gate. If you want to join, you call. If an academy wants to join, an academy calls. But when they call, tell them the code Ankit Gate. Now, guys, this question is now based on impulse response. This is not like the previous questions that were dependent, where YT and XT are dependent. But here, we have impulse response. Now, my friend, when you see this impulse response, how does it look like? How does it look like? Let me tell you, everybody, just wait a minute. Please wait. Listen to the answer. This is not like the previous questions. Here we have impulse response. So rectangle T by 12 means a rectangle of width 12. It means a rectangle of width 12. That is minus 6 to 6. Minus 6 to 6. Okay. Now if you see, my friend, for HT, causality says that HT must be 0. Listen to me carefully. I am explaining the concept. Anti-causal says and non-causal says, listen guys, HT is both sided. Now tell me, in which category will this lie? In which category will this function lie? Quickly, quickly, quickly. Non-causal, because it is both sided, left and right, left and right. Okay, so this one will be your non-causal. Kiran, I may take, but in the crash course I will take. Don't worry. I'll take in crash course. This is the condition for stability. Now, if you see, my friend, if you see the area under this, tell me the area. Tell me the area. Not zero. We have to take magnitude. We have to take magnitude. So this area will come 6 plus 6 equal to 12. That is why it is stable. देखा फंस जाते हो तुम लोग. So the answer would be C. Understood everybody? Everybody understood or not? Great. Now try this. Again you have 1 minute. अरे स्टेबल का अभी तो बताया, बाउंडेड इनपुट बाउंडेड आउटपुट का. मेरे भाई थोड़ा स्पीड पे चलो, मेरे साथ चलो. आप लोग ऐसे लैग करते रहोगे तो पीछे रह जाओगे ना. इतना टाइम थोड़ी है हमारे पास. कोई बात नहीं, मैं हूं ना. मैं बताऊंगा कैसे बनेंगे ऑर्डर वाले. काहे टेंशन ले रहे हो. डॉट माने डेरिवेटिव अक्षय। चलो भाई चलो, कम ऑन, टाइम इज अप। दिव्या इज एट नंबर 1। पासा पलट दिया दिव्या ने। अरे प्रैक्टिकली तो कुशल नॉन कॉजल भी नहीं होगा। प्रैक्टिकल की क्या बात है? प्रैक्टिकली ऑल सिस्टम्स आर कॉजल। देखो, फर्स्ट सिस्टम इज लाइक दिस। वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए। नाउ माय फ्रेंड, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली। Unit step is bounded, right? Unit step is bounded. Then yt is ramp. Ramp is unbounded. Ramp is unbounded. So that means this is unstable. This is unstable. Okay. Second, y dot t plus alpha yt equal to xt. Y dot t plus alpha yt equal to xt. Now, in this case, you can either solve the differential equation, or the easier method would be taking Laplace transform. Taking Laplace transform. Now that means sys plus alpha ys equal to xs. So the transfer function was, so the poles of this function, my friend, pole is in LHP. So this one is stable. This one is stable. It has n poles at origin. Okay. And what about the derivative? What about the derivative, my friend? Now in this case, again take xt as unit step. This is bounded. Now d by dt of xt is delta t. Impulse is unbounded. That is why it is again unstable. Okay. Always remember, yesterday also I told in my control system class, in signal system there are only two possibility, either stable or unstable. But in control we have three possibility: stable, unstable, marginally stable. In signal there is nothing sort of the marginally stable. Okay. Now, if poles lie on j omega axis or RHP, this is unstable. दीपक मेरे भाई, आते हो शाम वाली क्लास में कि नहीं? जल्दी बताओ दीपक. If poles lie in LHP, then it is stable. ठीक है, चल ये वाला समझ आया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्राई दिस गाइस. अगेन यू हैव 1 मिनट. दीपक अभी तो लिखवाया पोल्स वाला, ये लिखवाया तो है मेरे भाई स्टेटमेंट, और क्या लिखवाया है? मुझे तो ये बताओ कितने बच्चे हैं जो अभी शाम वाली 7 बजे वाली क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं? हाउ मेनी पीपल आर नॉट अटेंडिंग 7 PM क्लास एवरी डे? Do attend the 7 PM class, guys. Do attend the 7 PM class, because I am teaching the stability there. If you have not joined an academy yet, make sure that you are coming to my YouTube class. Don't leave any opportunity to learn for free. Okay. When I am teaching for free, make sure that you attend all the classes. Chalo. Sumit, even if for one input, you can prove that the output becomes unbounded, then that system is unstable. So you have to check one input where the output can become unstable. Karthik, there might be some personal issue. Ankit Burane sir, who is he? Now, it is saying statement yn equal to sine xn is stable, correct? Why? Because sine does not go beyond 1, my friend. Now, yn, xn minus 2, xn plus 2, this is also stable. Why? Because if, good to now do you understand? If xn is bounded, then yn will be bounded. Simply. Okay. दीपक बिल्कुल समझ आ जाएगा मेरे भाई, क्योंकि आज से राउत क्राइटेरिया शुरू कर रहे हैं 0 लेवल से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आने की। कुशल मेरे भाई, लेकिन 1 के ऊपर तो नहीं जाएगा, 1 के ऊपर तो नहीं जाएगा। अच्छा, वो अनस्टेबल बोला है। देखो मेरे से भी शुभम वाली गलती हो गई, आंसर विल बी बी। ठीक है, शिवम वाली, सॉरी, ये शिवम शुभम में बड़ा कंफ्यूजन रहता है। चल, ट्राई द नेक्स्ट वन गाइस, कम ऑन गाइस, कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, आई वांट टू सी करेक्ट आंसर्स। And make sure that you put your 100% in this 1 hour, because many people I am seeing, they are coming and going. That means they are not attentive in the class. Consistency is the major factor, guys. Without consistency, no one can crack the exam. So I am taking daily 3 free classes: signal, control, physics. राजेश मेरे भाई, मैंने सिग्नम लिया तो था, जब तो रेक्टेंगल नीचे चला गया था। आई डिड टेक सिग्नम विद रेक्टेंगल, अदरवाइज हाउ कुड इट बिकम नेगेटिव? साई, सिग्नल सिस्टम 1 PM, कंट्रोल 7 PM, डिजिटल 7 AM, and physics 9 PM. Every day 4 free classes, 4 hours. Now, two system H1 and H2N are in parallel connection. If H1N is non-linear causal unstable, H2 is linear non-causal stable, then overall responses. When we talk about control 7 PM daily, parallel connection, if you attend my physics class, then you would know why that class is required. Now this is non-linear, this is linear. The sum will always be non-linear. The sum will always be non-linear. Okay. Now, my friend, one is causal, one is non-causal. One is causal, one is non-causal. The resultant will be non-causal. Why I am saying this? Because suppose H1n is 0 for n less than 0, but H2n is non-zero for n less than 0. That means Hn is non-zero for all n less than 0. ठीक है, तो नॉन कॉजल भी आ गया. अब स्टेबल अनस्टेबल की बात है. अगर स्टेबल प्लस अनस्टेबल कर रहे हो, इफ summation, which one is unstable? H1n. If summation then ठीक है, अनस्टेबल. पहली बात तो सीरीज नहीं होता, कास्केड होता है. सीरीज नहीं होगा, कास्केड होगा. चलो कास्केड की बात कर लेते हैं. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन कास्केड एज वेल. इन दैट केस माय फ्रेंड, Hn would be not multiply convolution H2n. Okay, H2n in cascade. Now my friend, when you talk about linearity and non-linearity, when you talk about linearity and non-linearity, first of all, non-linear and also because convolution is only applicable for LTI, is only applicable for LTI. Rajesh, please ask such question on my Telegram group. This is my Telegram group, my friend. Okay, that was very simple. देखो रेक्टेंगल पूरा पॉजिटिव था, सिग्नम आने से लेफ्ट साइड पे वो नेगेटिव चला गया, सिर्फ सिग्नम की वजह से. राइट साइड पे तो पॉजिटिव ही रहा और लेफ्ट वाला नीचे आ गया. यही तो होता है. ठीक है, तो कन्वल्यूशन मत चलाना, कन्वल्यूशन मत चलाना. आपको क्या चलाना पड़ेगा? डायरेक्ट लॉजिक लगाना पड़ेगा. नॉन लीनियर, देन it may be causal or non-causal. It can be both, right? It can be both. Why? Because if one is providing delay and one is providing advance, then it becomes causal. Like if one is like this, so if one system is delaying by 2 unit, other is advancing by 2 unit, they will cancel each other's effect. They will cancel the effect of each other, and that is why it may become causal. It may become causal. And what about stable unstable? What about stable unstable? It will be unstable. Why? Because if one is giving unbounded output, the result will be unbounded output. Correct? If one of them is giving unbounded output, you will get unbounded output. Try the next one, everybody. Try the next one. Come on, everybody. The timer is running. And remember, guys, again and again, I'm telling you, consistency is the key. When I see students dropping out gradually, I can understand they can't be consistent. and the only person who stays till the end can become a champion. Yes, Sagar, in signal, marginally stable does not exist. Now, this basically is a running summation. Why running summation? Why running summation? Because the limit is dependent on n. So the summation will keep on running. Now summation is always a linear process. It is always linear. Like derivative, difference, integration, summation. All these are linear. What about time variant and invariant? It is a time invariant system. Time invariant system. Why? If you do this, we get this. If we do x k minus k naught, then we get now k minus k naught is suppose alpha. That means you can say when k is infinity, you will get minus infinity. When k is n, you will get this, which is same as y n minus n naught. And that is why it is time invariant. So we take a shift in the input and we take a shift in the output. If both are coming the same, then it is time invariant. If the shift in input is same as the shift in output, then time invariant. Okay, is this clear? Try the next one. Now I am reducing time. Abhishek, such questions are asked for 1 mark in GATE. 1 mark in GATE. This is for GATE syllabus only, not for ESE. I have reduced the time now, guys. Be quick about it. Great, everybody. Now, the first thing is about causal. The first thing I'll tell you, Vishnu, don't worry. The first thing is about causal. So, as you can see, YT depends on X2T. That is future value. Okay. And that is why it is non-causal. Correct? What about linear? Integration. Just now I told integration is linear. Now what about time variant or invariant? Time variant or invariant? So my friend, if on x side or if the coefficient of t is anything other than 1, that system will always be time variant. Like suppose Achal, because integration of a plus b is integration of a plus integration of b. That is why linear. Integration means that you can apply superposition. Listen to me carefully. Now, this will be time invariant. But if you have something like this will be time variant. Now, my friends, if you see this, you can also say that 2 tau is k. When tau is k, when tau is t. Now tell me guys, now do you understand? The coefficient of t, the coefficient of t is 2. That means it is time variant. Clear to everybody? Okay. Now moving on to the next problem. Try this. From now I'll be giving 45 seconds only. 45 seconds only. And tomorrow, guys, we are going to discuss convolution problems. Tomorrow, we are going to discuss convolution problems. So make sure that convolution is prepared. Make sure that you have convolution prepared. Okay, now Ashok is at rank 1. Now, guys, it is saying yn equal to cos pi n xn. This system is first of all stable. Why? Because if xn is bounded, Abhishek, marginally stable will be considered as unstable in signal. Now listen, if xn is bounded, yn will also be bounded. It is causal, correct? Because it only depends on present value of input. Then it is linear. It has the relation of y equal to mx. But time variant, time variant. So which answer? D. D. Now why time variant? Remember, if any function of t or n is multiplied or added to xt or xn, then it is a time variant system. Okay, so here cos pi n is being multiplied by xn. दीपक मेरे भाई x को तुम x1 रख दो, एक बार x2 रख दो, तो x1 प्लस x2 रखोगे तो सुपर पोजिशन वैलिड हो जाएगा. लीनियरिटी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि cos का ग्राफ नॉन लीनियर है. लीनियरिटी का मतलब है क्या y वर्सेस x लीनियर है. y वर्सेस x में स्लोप क्या आ रहा है? cos pi n. सो इट इज अ लीनियर ग्राफ. लीनियरिटी का मतलब क्या होता है मेरे भाई? लीनियरिटी मीन्स that we can apply superposition and homogeneity. Okay, is that clear? तुम लोगों का यार सिग्नल एकदम गायब तो है, और तुम लोग अटेंड करते हो सवालों की क्लास. क्यों भाई दीपक? Signal is absolutely not there, and you are attending the questions class directly. tan के टर्म को बता दो. tan का टर्म क्या आ गया? नाउ इफ आई टेक लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन, अरे कॉस की जगह tan भी लोगे तो भी लीनियर तो रहेगा ना मेरे भाई। बट नाउ दैट वुड बी अनस्टेबल because tan can go for infinity. लो भाई, आ गया लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन। when we took linear combination of input, ओके कृष्णा मेरे भाई, xn को कैसे cos pi n ले लोगे? xn अलग है, cos pi n अलग है। अब xn क्या होता है वो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना। now this is about this. Now moving on to the next. Try this guys. Now what has happened is, what is happening to the pole? Yeah, now it is working. Guys, Pramit sir has taught signals and system from the very basic. Okay, you can just visit the profile Pramit Lavas. You will find all the lectures of control system. So that Deepak, you can improve your basic, my friend. Pradeep, I have taught Pramit Lavas, Lawas, Lawas. Okay. And Pradeep, I have taught AC analysis in network for free. Now we are running network on YouTube. Okay. Now again, see guys. This time we have impulse response, not the relation, not the relation between input and output. Okay. So what it is asking, stable. So my friend, the graph of HT. What is the graph of HT? HT is starting. HT is starting from 1. The graph is like this. So if you take integration, it will be infinite. अक्षय मेरे भाई, दोनों जगह अलग अलग पढ़ाया जाता है तो थ्योरी क्लास सेम कैसे रहेगी? अब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं आपकी नीड के हिसाब से, कंटेंट को मैं मॉडिफाई कर रहा हूं। ऐसा यूट्यूब पे थोड़ी हो सकता है। समझ रहे हो? तो अनस्टेबल आ गया, दिस इज अनस्टेबल। नाउ कॉजल और नॉन कॉजल, इट इज कॉजल because ht does not exist before t less than 0. Now memory or no memory, memory or no memory, it will have memory. So the answer would be C. Answer would be C. Achal, I'll take more subjects on plus for ECE when I take crash course. Crash course will start in October end. Okay. Causal systems will have memory. Causal systems will have memory. Next one, everybody. Come on. Again 45 seconds. अक्षय मेरे भाई, सिविल सर्विसेज की अलग से क्लास लगाऊं, बहुत कम पॉसिबिलिटी है। मे बी नॉट। ठीक है, प्लान्स में तो अभी नहीं है, ऐसा मैं इतना तो बता देता हूं, प्लान्स में अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। कम ऑन गाइस, ट्राई दिस। टुडे आई विल गिव यू होमवर्क एज वेल, एंड रिमेंबर टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न, टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कन्वोल्यूशन। And if anyone wants to join an academy, call on this number. And if you get a call from an academy, make sure you tell them the code Ankit Gate. Now, it is a linear system with input xt and yt, e to the power j2t, e to the power jat, minus j2t, jbt. If x1 is sine 2t, we are getting sine 4t. Now, sine 2t means so it is saying that we are getting okay, like this we will get, but this one is coming out to be sine 4t. Sine 4t. If it is coming out sine 4t, then that means a must be 4 and b must be minus 4. That is C. That is C. अरे यार मेरे भाई e टू द पावर 2t से तुमने फ्यूचर कैसे बता दिया अंश? एच टी में कॉजैलिटी की कंडीशन होती है, एच टी इज कॉजल इफ एच टी इज जीरो। अभी मैंने लिखवाया भी था, फॉर ऑल टी लेस देन जीरो। जो कंडीशन की आप बात कर रहे हो वो वाई टी एक्स टी के रिलेशन में लगती है, एच टी पे थोड़ी, एच टी पे थोड़ी लगाते हो मेरे भाई। लिखवाया हुआ कैसे भूल जाते हो? चलो ट्राई दिस गाइस। Guys, please increase your memory a bit. If you can't even retain for half an hour, then how you are going to retain the course till gate? If you are forgetting something that I have told in the same lecture, then it will be very, very difficult. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, a system would be called as static if it has no memory. If it has no memory. Very simple. Last question of the day, my friend. Last question of the day. Then I am going to give you homework. डी भी हो सकता है। नहीं यार, स्टैटिक का मतलब ये होता है which does not have any memory. Achal, that is the definition of static, my friend. That is how static systems are defined. Dynamic means memory system. Static means no memory system. Guys, you really need to study signals and system. This month we will be starting on our YouTube channel. So make sure you attend all the classes. You are really in need of it. Now, dy by dt plus tyt equal to xt. So here, due to this t, this is time variant. Cos xn, time invariant. This one also time invariant. So what will be the answer? The answer would be A. Okay, the answer would be A. Whenever you are checking time variance, you have to check two things. Either function of t or function of n, then coefficient of t in xt and yt. Okay, these things. Kushal, we are going to launch a new channel today. Now let me tell you the answer. to the homework problem. You guys can try. We have solved 15 problems. 6 I am giving you for homework. Okay? 6 I am giving you for homework. These you need to try. These you need to try. And as I told, if anyone wants to come to Unacademy, do make sure that you call on this number. Tomorrow's topic is convolution. And if you get a call from Unacademy, just tell them the code Ankit Gate. Ankit Gate. Okay. अरे क्वेश्चंस ये रहे होमवर्क वाले यार, पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करोगे मिल जाएंगे। ठीक है आयुषी, चलो थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी।